I was about 20 years old and still figuring out what God wanted me to do.
We were really excited to settle down and start a family.
My father called my mother, said, hey, turn on the TV. Plane just flew into the World Trade Center.
My mom worked 3 jobs. She just wanted to get us through high school. College just did not look like a possibility.
I remember I was praying here in this chapel in the Portian Clinic, and I can still close my eyes and I can still hear the words of the scripture that says to bear the fruit that must endure. And for me, it was just really evident that that fruit that must endure was the call that the Lord had placed on my life to be a priest, to be a friar.
It definitely felt that was a given, that we would have lots of kids. Once we started realizing we were dealing with infertility, the conversations kind of went fairly quickly to come to the decision to look into adoption.
It was like a lightning bolt. After the second plane crashed into the tower, I actually stepped out of the living room where we were watching events unfolding, and I just, this revelation to me, like, you need to go into the military.
So I applied, and financial aid emailed me back, and at the bottom it just said, thank you for your SAT scores. You have been accepted to Franciscan University.
Accepted. Oh my God. I'm so happy.
I just got on my knees every day from then on and started praying every single day, like, Lord, if there's a way, get me to Franciscan University.
As I've become the president of Franciscan University, I've gone back to that text time and time again, bear the fruit that must endure. The Holy Father, now St. John Paul, he said we need more builders. We need men and women who will build society and will participate in the building of the church. I think this idea of new builders is the fruit that the Lord spoke to me as a 21-year-old kid. The fruit is the students.
We took our son Luke home Christmas Eve, and it really was just felt like, okay, this was worth the wait. That was our labor pains, was going through all the infertility, the whole process of adoption, and now how blessed are we to have these 3 amazing children. So I really felt such a strong calling to start something that was going to help couples, at least in some way, be able to adopt.
I deployed to Afghanistan in 2012, full 11 years after 9/11. I've commanded 4 units, several thousand soldiers. I see a lot. Culture needs God. Culture needs more people who actually stand for something.
So I got a call from the financial aid, and she just said, Francesca, I applied you for this scholarship. It's a full tuition scholarship for 4 years. It's called the Spirit of St. Francis Award. I want to tell you that you received it. And I started crying and screaming. She was like, I told you the Lord would provide. I told you you're supposed to be here.
This is an invitation that the Lord is speaking to us at Franciscan University again, to rebuild the church. Formation is more important than it's ever been. As we were praying about our needs, we had 2 significant needs. One is we simply need more academic space. We also need space for evangelization, space for ministry, space for conferences. To have young men and women who are rooted in the truth, who are rooted in their faith, bringing about transformation and change across the country with our alumni who are going to go out and engage the world. They're going to be the teachers and the doctors, the lawyers, the businessmen and women, the youth ministers, the priest.
Franciscan was like the last stage that I stopped at before going out into the world.
Being at Franciscan was crucial to who I am today and what I'm doing.
What I want to do my whole life is just help people find the person of Jesus Christ.
When Francis heard the Lord speak to him from the San Damiano cross, rebuild my church, honestly, one of the things that he did is he surrounded himself with men and women who wanted to be a part of that. And in many ways, that's what this campaign is about. But I invite you to prayerfully consider to be a part of this mission that the Lord has given to Francis of Assisi. I believe he's given it to me and to the university as well. So please consider being a part of rebuilding the church with Franciscan University of Steubenville.